Ito naman kami guys, na dito kami sa sa Galveston. Ang daming isda guys, mga maliliit lang. Pero ang dami. Minsan yung mahirap dahil
You wanna touch the fish?
yung mga maliliit, kinakain nila yung pain natin.
Touch it,
Tapos
be careful,
yung
it's
mga malalaki, wala na, hindi na makuha dahil
Sharp.
wala na yung pain natin. So maraming beses na naglalagay tayo ng pain. Pero maganda guys, ito first time ng anak ko na nakahuli ng
The
isda.
first fish we
Tungtuwa
got.
siya.
What's your name, sir?
Just hold it. Aki's first catch.
Aki.
That's so quick, Aki.
That's quick.
Ngayon na
Yeah. That's quick.
Ngayon na ulan.
Like less than 2 minutes.
Another one. Good job, Max. Be careful, ha. Pull it. Don't put it down, Max, okay? Because already is I can't like